Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today's question is related to the ages, but to those who are new to my channel, it is requested to them, please support the channel Aptitude Math Learner and don't forget to subscribe the channel. The question is, the ratio between the present age of A and B is 4:5. If the difference between their ages is 8 years, what is the sum of their ages? So here we have to find out the sum of their ages. But for this, the first thing which we have to do, that is we have to find out their real ages. So we take the first thing, that is let their ages be ages for A and B, that is in the ratio, that is 4x and 5x. So we have just taken 4x and 5x as the age for A and B. Now in the next part of the question, it says if the difference between their ages is 8 years. So the difference, so here we take the greater, that is 5x and the difference, it means minus 4x and the difference, that is 8 years. I hope you have understood this. So here we get, that is x is equal to 8. So this is the value for x. Now the next thing which we have to do, we have to find out their real ages. So A's age 4x and this becomes, that is 4 multiplied by, and the value of x, that is 8, and this becomes 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32 years. So this is A's age, and B's age is equal to, that is 5x. So this becomes, that is 5 multiplied by 8, that is 40 years. So this is for B's age. Now what is the sum of their ages? So their sum, so therefore
their sum of ages,
that will be, so here 32 plus 40 and this becomes, that is 72 years. So this is the sum of their ages and this is our answer. So thank you very much.